Y'all, look at these. Don't they look so good? If you go like to see the recipe, stay tuned. So everything you need for this recipe is right here. So you just need 1 can of cinnamon rolls. You also need some cinnamon, brown sugar, and a can of peaches. First, we're going to combine our peaches inside of a bowl, and we're going to just dump these into our bowl. Now we're going to just cut these peaches because they were just a little bit too big for me, so I'm going to cut mine. First, we're going to dump in our 1/4 cup of brown sugar, about 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, and then we're going to give this a good whisk. Mix it all well. Now you want to get you a cupcake pan if you have one, and we're going to just pack these down into the bottom of the pan and try to make a little divot in the middle where you could have create a little space. Now we're going to go ahead and add our peaches that we had sitting over to the side, and we're just going to top these on all of them. Yeah, I was over here making a mess. So once you have your peaches on top, we're going to go ahead and sit these in the oven for about 20 minutes on 350, and then I'll be right back to y'all. Now that our cinnamon rolls are out the oven, I went ahead and put it on a plate like so. Y'all, these smell so good. I wish you guys could smell them. Now we're just going to top this with the icing that was provided with the cinnamon rolls and glaze it over the top like so. And just like that, here go our peaches and cream cinnamon roll. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I really do appreciate for all my new subscribers as well as my returning subscribers. Until next video, you guys, peace.